Hi guys, I made scrunchies and here's what I did. I used fabric from an old dress and cut it into a 4 by 22 inch rectangle. With the fabric inside out, align and sew the 4-inch sides. You should end up with a band. I flattened the sewn edge. Next, fold one side of the top layer a third of the way over. Then cover it with the other side of the top layer. Bring one side of the bottom layer to meet the other. Sew just those sides together. As you reach for the bottom, tuck the fabric inside. Realign the sides and continue to sew. Be sure to leave an opening. Pull the fabric through the opening and your fabric should turn inside out. Next, cut a strip of elastic. Test out tying the length you want on your hair. I made mine 9 inches so that when I tie it, it'll be about 8 inches. Add a safety pin to the end of your elastic and feed it through the fabric opening. Remove the safety pin and tie the ends of the elastic together. Make sure it isn't twisted. Then close the opening with a ladder stitch. To do this, starting from under the fabric seam, bring the needle up. Make a stitch on one side, cross over to the other side, make a stitch, and cross over again. Then knot it. I also made scrunchies with satin fabric. And here's how they turned out.